GroupDocs Annotation App is a simple online application that enables you to add comments, add input fields, and measure distances in files and documents from your favorite browser. For example, to add a comment to a file, just upload it into the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the file. After the file is processed, you can start adding annotations using controls in the top bar. You can underline text, add squiggly lines, redact text, and add other annotations. To navigate between pages, you can use scroll or navigation controls in the top bar. You can zoom in or zoom out using a magnifier, download the source file, download annotated file, or print the file in your browser. To start over, just click the Close Annotation button and upload a new file to annotate. Please note that this is just a short demonstration of GroupDocs annotation features. You can download the full product for more features using the link in the video description below. We hope that you have found this tutorial useful.